Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about make money using AI. So let me discuss this topic until the end. So my number one AI tool is that AI powering social media tools. So there are tools like Jasper.ai, ContentStudio.ai, that Ocoya.ai. These are the social media creating the post and even for these visual assets at the times. So it is a best tools and let me see that each and every tool. So I will go here in Google Chrome. Then I will type here Jasper.ai. So you see here Jasper.ai that's are built for marketing, for social media tools. So pricing a free AI tools. So free AI try today. So I will click on these options. So you see here the AI is a marketing and diesel. So get a demo. So if you want to create a demo, create the app. So you can create any kind of marketing tool. So creating the any kind of poster. So you can start for a free trial or get a demo. If you want to get the demo, you can get the demo from here. So you can see I will go to start for a free trial over here. I will sign up with the Jasper.ai. Then I will continue with my Google. So I will go here with my Google and then I will next it. So I will log in with my Jasper.ai and then you see I will log in with my Jasper.ai and you see you have to select the plan for a 7 day free for a 7 days. So if you want to take the certain plan, $39 per month, $59 of pro and business for the business you can take as a customize for the pricing. So if you want to take the monthly plan, you can see the monthly plan, and if you want to select from the annual plan, you can select the annual plan. So you can see a welcome Tanmay and you can accept it with you. So if you want to create any kind of consulting, education, finance, what industry does your company work? So you can suppose my company is in education, so I will click on education. So write on what are the size of your company, 200 below. So I will go here. Okay. So almost on what kind of work do you do? Customer support, designing, engineering, marketing, and so I will do marketing and design. Okay, I will do the marketing and then I will enter it. So which of the following describe marketing function: brand, content, field, product, or PR or social media? So I will click on social media and then I will enter it. So what do you want your name as a workspace? So you can do the name of your workspace as a the skill courses. Okay, then I will enter it. Ocoya.ai. So I will go here in another tab. So I will type here Ocoya.ai. This AI tool is also a social media management tool, and you can also see here. You can also try for a free. You can also try from here. So pricing, you can see the pricing option over here. You can see your pricings annually and monthly pricing. You can see a $19 per month as a monthly basis. So you can see annually if you want to take the annually. So you can $15 per month. If you want to take the try for a free, you can also take the try as a free basis. So I will go here, try free option over here, and then you can see here I will be continue with my Google over here. Then you can see I will continue this. I will continue it. After continue, you can see here for social media account. So I will continue it. Then I will continue it. Okay, then I will go in continue. So you can also here you can see here you can also upgrade your plans and you have to purchase the plans from here, and then after you purchase the plans, if you want to take the 7 day for a free trial, you can take the 7 days of free trial over here, and you can create any, you can see here you can make the payment using card or PayPal. So you can make the payment over here, and then after you can create any kind of posters for your business and for your social media account. So like that you can create a social media poster from here. So my number second is that AI writing tools. So there is a one best site is a chat GPT. ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Writesonic.ai. It is a three are the best AI writing tools for writing any kind of script or any kind of a poster script. So it is a best AI tools. So I will go here in ChatGPT. You can see here. So I will go introducing the ChatGPT, and then you can I will go here. So you see here my ChatGPT get open. If you want to write a, suppose I want to write a letter, write a letter to my friend for sharing a travel adventure. So I want to give this kind of script. Create a script for that. Create a script for that. Okay. I will give this kind of prompts. Scripting writing over here. It is the best tool for Chat GPT, and you can. Would you like to help the tailor to letter for specific place for travel to? If you want to do which kind of place you are travel, so if you want to give them, then you can also take like that. You see here over here. Then another is that you can see the Copy.ai is also a best writing scripting tool. You see here. So I will go here and then I will log in from here, continue with Google. I will continue here. So you see here it is a welcome to Copy.ai. So what are your work you do? So if your work is, suppose I will give the other, I will click on other. So my working is the education. Okay, then I will next it. Then where do you want to start as an automatic lead for a company, create a AI power content program or scale in personal outreach. So I will click on here, lead of the company research. So I will click here first. Then how do you hear about, suppose if you want, so I will hear about in Google. I will get the starter from here. You see here my dashboard get come over here. So it is also a best AI tool. You can also for writing any kind of scripting. So my number third AI tool is that Writesonic software. So Writesonic software is the best AI tool for writing and any kind of scripting for SEO content. So you can also book a demo from here, and you can also get starter from here. So it is a in this content in this Writesonic you can research or planning, generate, optimize. You can optimize your SEO, and then you can publish from here. It is a best AI tool. You can also see how much companies are used for this trusted. So Microsoft, HP, Palantir, Square, these are the best company they are trusted from this kind of software. So you see here, writing Sonic is a get started. It's free. Okay, for the first 7 days it is a trial basis, and then after that you have to pay certain plans. Okay, so it is a best for Write Sonic is a best AI tool. You can see here, and then you can create any content, and you can also create the content, but you can also write there any kind of keywords for specifiers, and then you can create your own content from this kind of software, Writesonic AI. So it is the best AI tool you can see here. Okay, then my next point is that AI graphic design tools. So there are a lot of graphic design tools. So Dalle is also there. Then you can also use the chat GPT using for your AI tool creating the any kind of images. You can create the image using Canva, and then after you can create the image using their best software Dalle. So you can, so I will go here another tab. So I will type here, but Dalle is a base software for a chat GPT. This software is created by OpenAI. So I will go here, then I will try for here this kind of images like that you can create from this. But you can also create, this is the OpenAI software created by OpenAI. So chat GPT and this software are the same, but you can also go to your chat GPT and you can also create the certain images using chat GPT also. So it is a best tools and best way you can create the AI as a graphic design. Okay, so another way is that it's Canva. So using the Canva, when you paid any kind of software, paid software of Canva, you can also bring the certain AI image as a graphic design. So I will go here in Canva. So I will type here Canva over here, and then I will go here. Here you see a brand. Okay, you can purchase the any kind of pricing, upgrade Canva as a pro. So you can see here any kind of upgrade Canva pro. So I will go here. So 12 month you can see a 4,000 of rupees. 1 month you can see a 500. 1 week you can take 199, and 1 day you can take 69 rupees. So you can take as a choose your own plan, what kind of plan you want to take it. So like that you can take the plans, and you can create any AI images as a graphic designing. So you can create using Canva also. So these are the two ways of graphic design is AI tools. So my last is website designing. So best website designing is a Wix and Hostlinger. These are the two best websites I will recommend to all of you. So I will go to here another tab, and I will, you see, I will go to another tab, and then I will type here Wix. So Wix development company. So I will go here, and then I will type a Wix website builder and create the website in a minute. So I will click over here. You see here, this is the website get open over here. So here you see a products. So in here you see a website designing, then website template you can create it, website builder you can create it. Which kind of websites you are created, you can create an e-commerce websiting, blogging website you can also create, schedulings, restaurant website, portfolio website you can create from here. So it is a best tool for using the website. So I will continue with my Gmail ID over here. Okay, if you want to create a website, so you can go here, create a new site. After you can create a new site, you can explore the things about app market updates and inspiring the website course for a lesson. If you want, if you don't know knowledge about how to create this website using this week, so you can listen the courses of here. Then if you want to create a hiring the professional, you can hiring a certain professional in weeks over here. They can also do your design your website. They can also take a small tasks. You can also give them in a certain way. You can create the website from Wix also. So it is a best website tool for creating the website is Wix. You can earn money using this kind of AI tools. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.